still pedal with it. It's just mega stupid tight. Fix it up another day. As soon as I loosen the tension on the quick release, the chain scampered down back to where it was. Obviously plenty of slack there to tighten it back up. Now I just hope that chain on the 56 tooth doesn't give me any grief, because it can be quite difficult to reseat this axle into there. That's a much more comfortable gear. There's a bit of slack in there still. But we'll just keep on winding it around until it finds a groove it likes. It's all's well that ends well, really. There's a possibility that'll jump spokes again, but I suppose I could potentially run an extra tensioner down there, but we'll just see how we go. It only really jumped spokes when I was pedaling too hard and trying to get up a hill that was a bit too steep. This engine, if you've been paying attention, is the replacement. It's the same series engine as what I pulled off, but it just doesn't have quite the same puff as the previous engine did. You can see the wear and tear. This is brand new, but it had slipped, and as a result it was running up against the tyre there, and it's just worn away to almost nothing. Brakes have always been my bugbear on this bike. Aside from the fact that I can't afford to spend money on fancy setups, the eBay special is about all I can put on here at the moment, and it's better than nothing. I pedalled down the yard and it immediately jumped back up to where it was too tight. And also, hello, look at how dangerous we're being here. So I've got to go back to the drawing board on this bike, because I cannot have this popping out while I'm riding. If anyone's got any cheap solutions to stop that from happening, please let me know. Fucking great. Cannot believe I just found these in that mess down there. All's well that ends well. As for this chain, it just keeps on slipping back to that where it's way too tight, even though I tried running it up on the second gear in here. You know what? I've got a spare chain hanging off the back of the Mark IV in there. So I'm just going to ride this till it breaks, and I'll go stick a spare chain on. See how we go with that one. I still pedal with it. It's just mega stupid tight. I do expect something's going to break, but I've got nothing if spare parts under there. Go inside for 2 minutes and I come out and the fucking thing's laying down on the job.